list comprehension method like print of. We are going to write, we are going to store in a list. What is list comprehension means? We are going to get this, get the variable here in for loop for x in range of 5. So what we are doing here means we are squaring the for loop range. Like for loop returns from 0 to 4, it will return. So from 0 to 4, the squares of 0 to 4 are stored in this list. Let us see this one. See here 0, 1, 4, 9, 16. These are the squares of 0 to 4. If you don't want this in a return type, like if you don't want to return this in a list, if you want to return this in integer, you just put a star mark here, then you will get 0, 1, 4, 9, 16. So same process that's in a tuple format. A tuple comprehension is nothing but the generator like print of. We are going to use brackets, normal brackets like here, like x double star of 2, that it will return the power of the x for x in range of 5. This will return a generator object. It will not show you the outputs. Why? Because this is a generator. If you want to see the output, then we have to put the star mark here, then you will access this outputs like 0, 1, 4 and 9, 16. And coming to this, we can make this with set also. If you want to do this, you can make this like this is a set comprehension also. Like if you want, it will also return the same thing. If you want this in a return type like set, you can just remove this one and just print it one. It will be in the format of set. If you want to access this as a dictionary, let us x equals to. So this is the keyword. So x equals to x power. Like if you see this one, for 0 square it is 0, 1 square it is 1, 2 square it is better way of communication, the better way of explaining the output. If any other one will look, they will easily gets notified that these are the squares of the ranges in the for loop. There is a join method. This is a separate method, but it is effectively used in this print method. So I am explaining this in the print. So print of, so single quotes join, like let us just spam this one, spam of spam dot join for this. Let us print this arrow here, arrow mark. See, for this each and every one, each and every one, this one in this string function, the spam is repeated. I think you are not clear about this one. Let's see this. I will make you clear this one. Print here this arrow and right here the spam. You will get understand better here. See, for each and every word in this string, it will return this symbol SPAM. These are all joined with the joining element like a arrow. So operations on tuple using a print. Let us define a tuple 1 like t1 that equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, and a tuple 2 that equals to 5, 6, 7, 8, and we want to add this 2. Adding means we have to concatenate these two, t1 plus t2. If you want to access this tuple 1 using the indexing method, like if you want a third indexed number in this tuple 1, then we are going to use this type of index type also here. Directly in the print function we can use. You can slice this one like t1 off. If you want from 1 to 3, you can access this as a new tuple there itself. And print of, if you want to repeat the tuple one, if you want to get this tuple two times, if you want to repeat the tuple one two times, you are going to multiply it with that 2. Let us see the output here. See, for print function, so for print function, you are concatenating a T1 and T2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. The both tuples are concatenated, and if you want to access the element of tuple 1 of third index, so we can using index operation in this print. So it is going to get as a 4. And if you want to slice the tuple 1 from 1 to 3, so like 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. So this is the output at it returns as a new tuple. So if you want to repeat the first tuple 2 times, then it will return 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So these type of operations can be done using this lists also. For lists also same type of, if you just want to know, just modify this tuples into a list, then you will get a clear idea how this works in lists also. Okay, same operations are, but in this tuple, in this sets, it will not returns like that. Like see, this type of errors will come in this type in sets. If you are going to access this type of operations in sets, it will not allow you to do this operations. Like errors will be flopping because this type of plus operations T plus 1 and A, this type of operations will not done in this sets. We can just print the sets. That's it. We can just print the sets. That's it, guys. If you have any queries or if you have any doubts regarding this print function, please let me know in the comment section. That's it, guys. Thank you.